If you like this Kiskue Urahara look, stay tuned. Alright, what is up, people? So today is going to be a very short video. Like, I'm talking under 5 minutes short. Because nothing super special is happening, but this is content. And I told myself I'd produce at least one video each week. And so I'm in the process of moving still. This is going on week 3. This house was definitely not what we signed up for, but that's okay. But yeah, so this is just me putting content out for the sake of content. There's really nothing special. It's basically my makeup, me, Kate, makeup, but, you know, throw Kiskue's name on it, call it day. So first prime, then foundation, then conceal. Nothing real special. When I do male looks, I do try to contour my jawline a little bit more. I don't know, that's a, you know, storytelling device, I suppose, through makeup, even though maybe nobody will notice, but I notice. I know it. I know. Blend it out. By the way, this is at Matsuricon. This is day 3. So on day 3s, I try to do either no makeup and like comfy clothes, or I try to do like a really simple cosplay. So today was Kiskue. Didn't have to wear a wig. I had basically pajama pants on and a sports bra, like with a kimono top, and a bucket hat. Just had to throw a curl in my hair. That was about it. Anywho, so blend out your concealer and your highlight, then do contour. I put it in these spots: cheek, nose, a little bit in between my eyebrows, my jaw, definitely my jaw. I'm a very soft jaw girl, so we need a little bit of help in that department. And until I can get something done, we're gonna use Miss Fenty. She knows what's up. She gets it. Then I do cream blush in all these little spots: cheeks, chin, nose. And if I have too much, I'll put it around my temples. It's just to give a little sun-kissed look without being sun-kissed. I'm going to speed this up because it's nothing special. I bake my whole face. Concentrating under the eyes, jaw, leaving excess, if you will, in those spots. And around my mouth, I get a lot of creasing because I smile and laugh and sweat my mustache off. So that's what we're doing. Then my forehead. All right. I had a lot of powder in my eyebrow because I did not bring an eyebrow product, and I don't usually use them. I just use gel like this, eyelash mascara, whatever you want to call it, eyebrow mascara, whatever. Took a Q-tip to clean those out, clean out the hairs, because there was a lot of makeup in there. Just some random brown eyeshadow look, nothing too crazy. I just kind of concentrated in my outer V, my outer third, and my crease, and then I just lined my eye basically with white eyeshadow. Not lined, but like anywhere there wasn't eyeshadow, I went with white. Whatever. Eyeliner. See, I told you I'm speedrunning this. This is kind of silly of a video to put out. And then anywhere I had my cream products, I put my powder products. So contour. And then blush. I did see blush. There we go. That's what I was waiting for. I did do my eyelashes off camera. So mascara, falsies, bottom mascara, whatever you choose. So that's them up close. Wow, wow, wee, wow. Some purple highlight, some iridescent highlight that I actually don't recommend because it's old. And like I said, threw a curl in my hair. Boom. Look is done. Super easy, super nice. This is the vibes that we're going for. I felt good. It's my boyfriend. He was, you know, quote Toji. He doesn't even know really who that is. He always forgets his name. Fake fan, but I like it. And some pictures of me. So, if you guys like this is not my usual content, but hey, it works, right? Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Kate_escapism. Bye!